Hi everyone, welcome to Ella's Kitchen Delights. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious homemade beef burger. This is my own recipe that I use at home. For this, I am going to use the following ingredients. We are going to start with 1 kilogram of beef mince on a bowl. Next, we will add 1 finely chopped onion to the beef. Then we're gonna add the breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna add 1 egg. Next, we are going to add the spices. This includes salt, pepper, and garlic. And lastly, we are going to add oregano, sweet paprika, and mixed herbs. Now we are going to mix it well for a few minutes. Now the burger mix is ready, we are going to form the burger pâtés. They weigh around 5 ounces each. I'm going to use a burger press, but you can use your hand to flatten them. Now the pâtés are ready. I am going to cook them for about 5 minutes on each side, so they are well done. Now the preparation is finished, we are ready to build the burger. First, we are going to put the mayo, followed by lettuce, beef tomato, onion, gherkins, and lastly we are putting the burger on. There you have it, guys, homemade beef burgers. They look delicious. I hope you're gonna try it for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.